It's far and above any product that we've had. A 1998 Buick is way different than a 2026 Buick. The way they're made, the materials they're constructed with, the paint that goes in it, the complexity of the colors, like everything is just completely different. If we're using inferior products and equipment, then we're basically trying to work and do the best job, which we want to do, with one hand tied behind our back.
There is no stick going in it, putting it on the counter. There is no grabbing a dirty stick and introducing contaminants in it.
If it was my vehicle or my family's vehicle, how would I want it repaired? And how would I want to be treated by the people that are serving me?
Not only that, but the color accuracy becomes so much better because the moonwalk goes, instead of a 10th, it goes to 100th. So you can mix smaller quantities of the harder colors like the whites that you're having to mix 20 ounces with. You can cut it in half and then put it in the SEM Mix N Shake and then get that equal mix throughout the whole cup.
Productivity is obvious immediately, especially with both products in place. The productivity increased substantially.
We take the cup and we put the lid on it after we get through mixing our components in it, and then we go set it in the SEM Mix N Shake and push a button and walk away.
It gives him time to go do other things while it's doing its thing, which is the benefit of the Mix N Shake as well. Just kind of set it, walk away, and he can do other things while it's doing its thing.
It's just so much cleaner and faster.
So he's not having to stand there and manually make sure that everything is getting mixed properly.
Per job, he's probably saving 7 to 10 minutes in labor, so he can go do something else.
We are providing a service. It's not just fixing a car. It's more about, like, how do we make these people feel comfortable with an event it's very dramatic or very disruptive to their life. Don't have any doubts that they're going to be in good hands here, because they can see that we're investing in our equipment to have the best stuff.
The SEM Mix N Shake setup was, we took it out of the box, put a plug on the cord, plugged it in, put it on the table, and showed him the different layers on the display panel, and we walked away.
There's zero doubt that Mix N Shake has exceeded my expectations.